Good evening everyone. This is Srikanth Betigeri, lecturer at Department of Computer Science, Ballari Rudrappa Degree College, Motebenuru. Today I am going to discuss the concept about inventory info which is available under the Tally. So let us we start the concept. Please subscribe and share. Inventory infos are which are available in Tally: stock category, stock group, Gordon, unit in measures, stock items. So these are the inventory info. In order to go to the inventory info, we should start the create a company with a name specifying the all details under company creation screen. Just accept. So in order to create an inventory all features, we need to activate the feature. So this is the first master accounts info. The second one is inventory info, which is available inventory information. First one is stock group, stock item, unit in measures. So in order press F11 and F2. So inventory features. Here you should enable a zero value transactions, maintaining multiple godowns, maintaining stock categories. Yes, you should terminate SSS. Rest leave as it is. Press accept. So then we go to the inventory info to create an inventories, stock group, stock category, stock item. So inventory infos. In order to first transaction, so these are the inventory infos: stock category plastic, stock group Nokia, Gordon, Delhi and Punjab, unit and measures pieces. So first we should go to the stock category. So you should specify the name for the stock categories creation screen under primary group. So if you want to create an subgroups like soft plastic, hard plastic, you can create a sub stock creation screen with the name of soft plastic under the primary plastic group, plastic stock category. Okay. So next is stock group. Create single stock group. We are going to creation, providing the name Nokia primary group, because under the Nokia only we can purchase the mobiles, different type of mobiles. So it is a group. Escape. Come to the units of measures. Create, hit. So simple unit and pieces, symbol is pieces, formal name is pieces. Accept. So go to the godowns. So under the godowns, create a single godown, Delhi godown primary group, Punjab godown under primary group. Accept. So last you go to the stock items. Here you can create an stock item with filling the specified fields. So mobile, I am filling the field mobile phone. Under Nokia category plastic pieces, quantity is, so weight, how many pieces is there for 2 godowns. So let us see here. Delhi 700, Punjab 500, total 1200 is there. So let us enter 1200 pieces here. So you modify this. So 1200 pieces here. So Delhi godown, under Delhi godown, so 1200 pieces. Under Delhi godown, 700 pieces, 4500 per piece. Punjab godown 500 pieces, 4500 per piece. Okay, So just accept. 554 lakh. So in order to display the stock summary, go to the gateway of Tally, go select the stock summary and then OK. Press F1. It will displays the in detail, that is 1200 pieces, 4554 lakh total. So this what. So for the student help purpose, I am going to display the notes here. Please note down these notes, which is very helpful to your future in examinations. So creating a group, go to the gateway of Tally, inventory info, stock group, create here, stock group with display screen. It was showing the screen here. Please, with a neat diagram, write down the shortcut key to create a stock group and specified fields to create a stock group. Okay, so just note on this. So to display a single stock group, go to the gateway of Tally, inventory info, stock group, display under single group. Altering the single stock group, go to the gateway of Tally, inventory info, stock group, alter. So creating a stock category, go to the gateway of Tally, inventory info, stock categories, create under single stock category, specify the fields with a detail to display. Gateway of Tally, inventory info, stock category, display, alter gateway of Tally, inventory info, stock category, alter. So to create a stock item, configure the F11 to display the stock item creation screen. So here also go to the gateway of Tally, inventory info, stock item, single, create. So brief description, specify the fields, specify the fields, so to display and to alter. In order to create a location or garden, go to the gateway of Tally, inventory info, locations, garden, specify the fields and accept. In order to create a unit and measures, so type, there are two types, simple and compound unit measures, symbol, formal name and accept. So to display and alter, go to the gateway of Tally, inventory info, units and measures, display or alter. So this is what the procedure you should write in the examinations. Good luck.